is no greater feeling like coming back home. Let's get over to PriceSmart and see if they really sell things cheap. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we're in PriceSmart, Jamaica, where we're conducting some marketing research. And the research that we're doing is we're just basically checking to see how does buying your flat rate food box from Walmart, and like the extra large flat rate food box is like $2.30, right? To ship, clear, deliver, and it includes the cost of the box, the cost of picking up, and the cost of packing the item. Now, the extra large flat rate food box is about the size of a half of jumbo barrel. And we're comparing it to see whether buying the items at Walmart, buying the extra large, enough to fit an extra large flat rate food box at Walmart, if it's cheaper or more expensive than coming to PriceSmart. And I'm telling you right now, the jury is in. It's way cheaper to buy a flat rate food box from Walmart, paying the flat rate, having the item picked up, us purchasing the container, us packing it, us shipping it, clearing customs, and delivering it to your doorstep.